Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your address on your Google account. So once you're inside your Google account, guys, you want to click your profile on the upper right hand side and click on manage your Google account. Here on the left hand side you want to click payment and subscription because that's where you have your address added anyways, right? So you want to go ahead and click manage your payment method, and this is going to take you where you have, like, if you have your cards added as well. Now, in order to change the address, if you look at the top here, you have a few options: activity, payment method, subscription, and services addresses, right? You also have your address under settings as well, so you can easily come here and just come down and you'll find your address details. You see this little pencil icon, you can simply click on them and basically change your address as well, right? Your name, all of those good stuff is there. But on the address, you want to click on manage your addresses. It will show you all your addresses that you have there, and you also have the option as well to add a new address. You can click on add a new address button there. Now, let's say you want to change any one of these addresses. You can simply go ahead and click on them, and you will have the option to change address. It says change legal address. Let me go ahead and go back to the second one. It also give you the option to edit the address as well. So one of them is basically showing your legal address. If you click on one, it says change legal address, and the second one is just basically give you the option to edit. So whichever option you choose and you want to edit, or let's say you're going to change both, you can basically edit both. So you'll just basically need to click on the edit, and you can go ahead and you can edit your address. As you can see here, you can change the address details and you can click and save. Now, for the legal one, as you can see there as well, you have the option to change the legal address. You click on change legal address, and it basically take you over to a similar, let's say, form where you can fill in the details and click and save. And that's it, guys. That's how to change your address on your Google account.